Hello everyone. Today I am here to speak about importance of health and nutrition. Health and nutrition are the foundation of a good life. A healthy body supports a sharp mind and a positive attitude. Nutrition means giving our body the right balance of carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals and water. These nutrients are found in fresh fruits, vegetables, pulses, milk, grains, and nuts. Good food gives us energy, helps us fight disease, and allows us to grow properly. Along with eating well, regular exercise, sports, yoga, and enough sleep are essential for physical and mental health. We must also follow good hygiene habits such as washing hands and keeping our surroundings clean to prevent illness. In today's world, junk food and fast food are easily available, but they can harm our body if consumed too much. A healthy lifestyle ensures that we are strong, happy, and ready to achieve our goals. Health is truly our greatest wealth. Thank you very much for giving me this wonderful opportunity.